Alright, so are you guys excited to write your first Hello World program in PyScript? Well, I am totally excited and let's do that. What we have on screen is the basic HTML code and we will update it to include the basic PyScript settings and the PyScript tags to write our first Hello World program. Going back to the home page, it's said that what's important to start using PyScript is these two lines of code. What this is actually doing is using the CSS and the JavaScript. So let's add that under the head section anywhere. Let's add it over here. So we have these two added and let's indent it correctly. So these two are the PyScript.css file and the PyScript.js file. These two are mandatory to run your PyScript code. What's next is that once we have done this CSS and JavaScript setup, we will now write the Hello World program. To do that, we will use the tag called as PyScript. And in this tag, now look at this, how simple it is. Under this PyScript tag, all I have to do is write print and then write hello world, and of course complete this. All right, what do you think? It's going to be that simple or will it need some more editing? Well, absolutely not. Your first Hello World program would be this simple. Now there are two options. You can either save it as an HTML file and open it in your browser, or now that we have installed the live server extension, all you have to do is right click and click on open with live server. Once you do that, your file will be opened up in your browser and here you go. The Hello World program is successfully executed. You have written your first Hello World program in PyScript. And you see how simple it was to write a Hello World program or a basic PyScript program. What we have essentially done here is taken a basic HTML code, which includes the doc type HTML, the head section, the body section. Under the head section, it's important to include the CSS and JavaScript codes. And under the body section, we can have the different tags. And this one, which we are using, is the PyScript tag. And between the PyScript tags, we have written print hello world. And we have our Hello World program ready, and you can see that in your browser. And if you go right click and view page source, this is exactly the code that we have been writing. All right, it's right over here along with some extra stuff. But what we care about is that our PyScript is absolutely running fine. What we will see in the next videos is to write more complex Python scripts to create some amazing charts and amazing interfaces. But for now, congratulations on successfully writing your first Hello World program in PyScript. Thank you.